Hi, this is Rhonda with Rhonda's Crafty Chaos, and today we're going to make this cutest little ghost picture. I've seen a lot of them around and I really liked them, so I made this one up, and I think it turned out so cute. I made its little arms so they poke out. You see that? And I stuffed his little body with a little bit of polyfill, added a few little embellishments. So we're going to set him aside. This is, I just painted this with ivory, the Waverly ivory, and then decoupage this down. What I want to do, I want to try to mute this color just a little bit because it's a little bright. So I'm just going to stick my brush just barely in the paint, just so that there's just a tiny bit, and I'm going to put it in the glue that, as I flip it all over, that I used. And I just wanted to lightly put another coat over the top of this and see if it kind of will mute the color just a little bit. I want it a little bit more. Let's see. Yeah. See how it's just muting the color just a little tiny bit. Stick. There. This is where we'll put the ghost right here, so it's a little bit more muted than the rest of it, but it'll be fine. So there's how that looks. So I did mute the colors down. We're gonna set this aside. Well, we'd better just dry it. Sorry about the noise, but what I wanna say is, we had our birthday month last month, and then I got really sick. I ended up with COVID, and so the whole month just almost is a blur to me. But I do want to give away 3 more boxes of stuff. So I'm going to have my grandson's pick tonight, 3 more followers and subscribers, I meant, and we will be messaging you to get your address, and I hope to get them off tomorrow. I thought I was better, and then I wasn't better, and then I thought I was better, and it's been a time. So, but I have felt really good the last 2 days, so we're, I think, on the mend. My stamina's not really very high, but with a nap every day, I do pretty good. All right. I like how that's like a washed look. This one I didn't, and I almost wish I would have done that with this one. Okay, that's pretty dry. All right, so I've taken one of these pipe cleaners. They're called the bumpy ones. They have the fur is kind of bumpy, and I put it into, folded it in half, and then I just twisted it right here, and then kind of made little arms. So I put them out like that. I'm just gonna hot glue that down right there, and I think I'm gonna scoot it over just a bit. So I want his arms to kind of hold up there, and then I have just a little tiny piece of fluff. You don't want a whole lot, and that's probably too much right now. You just want just a little bit, because you don't want to be able to see it. And you want his arms to stand up. And here's the little piece of cheesecloth, and it's just one I got a few years ago at the Dollar Tree. You can get cheesecloth even at the grocery store, so. I just doubled the piece, so this is about 19 inches long, and I just soaked it in this glue mixture, and it's really watery, really watered down glue, and I just stuck it in there and got it all soaked, and I didn't want to have to pull it out and try to get all the glue off my fingers while I was doing a video. So I just drape it over and kind of pull this down so it looks a little raggy. And then just kind of shape your ghost. See how that's kind of coming to life here? Kind of pull these down so that shape his little head a little bit. And I like the ragginess down here. These are so easy to do, and I think they're really cute. And then I've just taken this felt from the Dollar Tree, just cut a little bit off to make the eyes and the nose. So I'll just fold it in half, and we'll make the eyes. Hopefully grab a better pair of scissors than what I had. On these eyes, I tried to make a half moon, I guess. No. What is this? Kind of like that. I don't know what shape you'd call that. An eyeball shape. So I wanted it flat on the bottom and kind of, oh, that eye is way off. Let's cut the bottom off a little bit. Just stuck my scissors in the paint. Okay, better put the paint lid back on. Okay, so we got the cute little eyes, I think. Now I need to cut this one down a little bit. Cutting black felt, you about can't see. Yeah, okay. Still not happy with the eyes. Ever since I've had COVID, I've shake. Need to stop shaking. Okay, now we're just gonna make the mouth. It is hard to cut, just little tiny pieces of felt. See how that don't look too bad. We'll trim this one end off over here. That. Okay, so we'll put the little face on. Just a dab of glue, not a whole lot. Oh, I hate the shakiness. Okay. Can't even get the thing to glue. All right, here we go. Get on there, little mouth. I put the glue on the ghost itself, and then put the mouth on. Maybe not. Super cute, and you could keep kind of shaping him how you think a ghost might look. Get those strings off, and then I'll stop moving the mouth around. Maybe. Get his eyes back up there. That hot glue is giving me fit. I kind of want the head to kind of go in, and I really like how this went raggy down here. I was wondering if we could get him to hold a pumpkin or something. If that would look cute. We'll look and see. I have these little pumpkins. Should we have him hold that? Kind of like the Pottery Barn one. That's kind of cute, huh? Don't like that stem on it. What do I have right here that we could use for another stem? That's a little better stem. Okay, we better glue it in there. Have him holding the pumpkin, that might be super cute. Hands a little closer. Okay. That's kind of cute. I like that. All right. We got to get his little head. I'm going to put him up just like that. This one, and then I have just a few little embellishments here. Let's see if I could put that crow. She might look cute sitting up there. I don't know. I like these bats. I'll put a couple of them. There's some cute tags in here too. Haunted house. Use that one. Cute little corners. This was a scrapbook kit I had. So I thought, heck, why not use it here? See if I had 4 of the corners, but don't look like it. There's a little skull and little pumpkins. I think we'll just use a couple of these little bats. We'll make a cute bow and use that tag. Maybe use these on the corners. We'll see. This little bag of goodies too. There's the leaves that we used the other day, but I think I'll pass on them too. Okay. I want to put a bow, probably right there like I put the other one. Put the bat up here. And a bat right there. Don't know about these corners yet. Or I don't think I'm going to use the, but we'll use this probably after we make the bow. This is a cute one. You can just do a really quick afternoon. We've got a friend coming over. Just grab a couple little things and you can make you a cute little ghost. I'm going to cut this in half. I don't want it that thick. I'll tear it in half. Okay. And then I want to put some lace with it. Grab some lace. And for the life of me, I cannot find my Bojabra. I don't know what I have done with it. So I'll show you a super easy way. I just use my hand. So I want to leave a tail and then I just loop it like this. And then we'll leave tails. And then this is just a little bit darker piece. So we'll loop it around and leave that. This is probably the easiest way to do a bow. Okay, and then you take it off your hand and pull it apart, and then you'll pull these down. Pull them going down, and then you'll tie it off. And fluff it up, and there's your bow. And these all will go down as you start fluffing it out. Pull all those down. And this little loop is a little long, so we're going to find out where one of these over here don't have enough long loop. So I might have to just pin that in the back a little bit. I don't know how it got so crazy long. That one's fine. So there's your cute little bow. We're going to trim that off. I'm just going to take a little, I'm going to go from this end. This is the back. Put a bit of glue right there. Let it hang down. And this tag's kind of long, so I'm going to trim it. And we'll hang that from there. I'm just going to put just a little bit of glue on it. And we'll take a button. Cute little button. We'll put up there on the bow. After all. Okay. What do you guys think? I think it turned out adorable. I think they both are so super cute. I hope you guys try it. Like I said, it was just a really quick little video, but I appreciate you guys sticking with me and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.